Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the question, what is Gling AI? So if you're watching this video, you probably came across this software called Gling AI. And to simply put, Gling AI is a AI video editor that will help you save time when it comes to editing videos. And so I've been using Gling AI for the past year, and I must say it's definitely saved me so much time when it comes to video editing. And if you're interested in trying Gling AI out after this video, you can check out the link down below in the description. But there are some things that you have to be aware about before you try Gling AI out. So starting with the pros, Gling AI has a very simple, easy to use interface. And so you just drag and drop your videos here. And when you drag and drop it, it's going to give you multiple features that you could apply to your videos. You can extract shorts or you can edit with AI. Next, choose your video spoken language. And then these are all the features that you can actually enhance your video with. So you can cut out all the silences. You can cut out the bad takes, you can remove the filler words, you can add smart captions, you can add a like and subscribe button, you can do jump cut zooms, enhance the audio, and add AI backgrounds. The features that I like using in all my videos is I like using the cut silences, cut bad takes, remove filler words, and enhance audio. So this is my 4 choices when it comes to the features that I use for all my videos. But you're more than welcome to try any of their features out. Now, let's actually go into a real project. So Gling AI is what I like to call a transcript-based video editor. So on the left-hand side, you have your transcript, and then on the right-hand side, you have your visuals. And how Gling AI works is that you can jump to anywhere in the transcript, and it's going to move the play bar. Or you can jump around using the play bar, and it's going to move you throughout the transcript. So when you press the space bar, you can see that it starts to highlight each and every one of the words. But let's say that you want to remove this sentence. You can actually go ahead and cut it. You could also cut entire sections by clicking the scissors icon. And in order to undo it, you just click on uncut or uncut here. Another thing that Gling AI does is that it removes dead space. And so you can add pacing as well. So what pacing is that it removes any silences that are more than 0.5 seconds, 1.3 seconds, or 2 seconds or more. So with Gling AI, I'd say it's a really good tool to use when it comes to editing your videos. Though my workflows lately has been, first I edit my videos using Gling AI, and then I export it to Final Cut Pro. And then on Final Cut, that is where I use or add transitions, sound effects, music, typography, overlays, etc. But I'd say with Gling AI, it's been a terrific experience. It saved me so many hours when it comes to video editing, and I highly recommend that you use it in order to save you time as well. And if you want to go ahead and sign up, you can check out the link down below in the description. But I'd say just try it out. You won't know until you actually try it out yourself whether or not you like it. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.